was actually in the Grand Palace in Bangkok, Thailand. Again, it was an honest mistake. Promise. So wala namang mga signages around. There were signages pero medyo malayo siya. And may specific area na you cannot see any signages na pinababa. But that's not an excuse. So lumapit si Thai police. Kinonfiscate yung cellphone ko. Kinuha yung cellphone. And it was very emotional. Able to confiscate our cellphone. Tapos sabi niyo, eventually pinadelete niya yung picture na kinuha namin sa area na yun. So lesson learned.
Nope.
Know the do's.
You suck.
Don'ts. Hi mga kalagan! Welcome to our first ever vlog. As you may already know, this is going to be our first vlog based sa mga travels that we've spent over the years. So please hit the subscribe button in order for you to have an update sa mga travels from this moment onwards. So fortunately, we were able to fulfill one of our ultimate travel goals, which happened last February to March 2020. It's a 10-day travel, which happened before the pandemic and the lockdown. So, there you go. So, our first vlog is dedicated to our escapade last February 25 to March 3, 2020. So, we were able to travel 10 days around 3 countries, which is Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam, and 5 cities including Bangkok, Pattaya, Siem Reap, Phnom Penh, and Ho Chi Minh City. So Suroy means laag, to travel, to roam around, to wander. It is synonymous to laag. So again, if you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe, laag ug uban pa. The 10-day Indochina travel was very successful. So how did we do it? Ano nga bang nangyari? How did it happen? Paano namin yun na-achieve? So for our first vlog, we are going to inspire you by giving you 7 tips kung paano nga ba ma-achieve ang inyong mga travel goals, regardless if it's Indochina or any places that you want. Hashtag travel goal. Okay. Tip number 1, travel goal setting. Setting a goal, it is very basic. So you need to think of a certain place and ultimate travel goal na gusto mong pumuntahan. So in our case, gusto naming pumunta sa Indochina and to experience crossing the borders between Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. So that's it. Tip number 2, 2 words: seat sale. Obviously, it refers to the seat sale available to either Cebu Pacific or Philippine Airlines. So for us, ang ginawa namin is to book 12 months to 8 months ahead, kasi the earlier the better. Mas mura ang ticket, mas less hassle sa pag-book. Kasi nga, mas cheaper ang flights. Especially from Manila going abroad. So if meron ka ng travel goals, if you already have booked your ticket, then here goes tip number 3. Itinerary. So nangyayari ito at least 4 to 6 months before your travel. So ako medyo OC kami in terms of our travel. So ginagawa namin Excel file of our travel. So from this exact date until this exact date. To and from or to, and then saan pumunta, saan matutulog, everything. So create your itinerary. The fourth one is you need to ask ano yung kailangan mo prepare. So obviously, if it is an international destination, you need to prepare your passport. So you need to check the validity of your passport. You have to make sure na meron kang passport. And if you have a passport, you have to make sure the validity. Kindly make sure na you have already updated or renewed your passport at least 6 to 8 months before your flight.
Okay.
So tip number 5, accommodation. Isa sa mga kumukuha ng pinakamalaking chunk sa ating budget is the accommodation. The best way for you to book is advance booking, of course, kasi mas cheaper. So you may check agoda.com or booking.com kasi mas marami po silang choices as to room accommodation. And obviously mas cheaper. Again, ang technique naman dito is for you to find yung cheapest, at the same time, the most comfortable room accommodation para sa travel nyo. Okay? Number 6, research. So, maraming vlogs, maraming yung mga YouTube channels and users, maraming mga travelers, backpackers, DIY travelers na who also did the same. So, very easy. Aside from getting an inspiration, you need to research as to the place na gusto nyong puntahan, the culture, the tradition, the food, the weather, the environment, everything. So, researching about a certain place is just one click away.
Okay, let's.
So speaking of research, if you are familiar with the location, most Instagram users are actually using location whenever na magpo-post sila sa kanilang mga Instagram posts. So for example, location, Bangkok, Thailand. So you need to open that location and see various Instagram users na nandun sa location na yun. So you need to check who are the Instagram users, baka meron kang maging close doon, and at the same time, para meron ka na ring idea as to saan ka pwedeng pumunta, anong pwede mong kainin, ano ang pwede mong gawin, and at the same time, ano yung mga kailangan mong, as mentioned earlier, yung OOTD for that specific place.
Okay.
Research.
I'm opening the gate. Okay, let's.
Finally, budget. So later, at the end of this video, we will reveal to you as to how much yung naging cost ng travel namin. Basically, na-discuss na namin na the earlier you book a flight, the better. The earlier you book your room accommodation, the better. The earlier you have your itinerary, the better. Because it actually prevents you from spending much.
Okay, let's.
Okay? So, there you have it, guys. Our 7 travel tips. Basically asking kung paano namin ginawa yung Indochina escapade namin or yung Suroy sa Indochina 2020. So by the way, we are DIY travelers. So basically, mas tipid, mas better. Mas konting expenses, mas maganda. So please watch out sa next naming video, vlog number 3, because doon we will specifically discuss yung mga places na napuntahan namin, yung memorable moments, ano yung mga naging experience namin, and the highlights of our travel. So, watch out!